Get a new stunning website in under a week and rank it on Google. Introducing UNI, the #1 solution for small business websites. Get a done-for-you stunning website. Developed, designed, and launched for your clothing store, cleaning services, auto parts store, barbershop, beauty supply store, bakery, pet services, gardening services. No tricky do-it-yourself tools. No tech, design, or SEO skills required. Professional website or online store. UNI builds your website in 1 week. Easy-to-use editor. Free hosting for life. Pay once, no monthly or annual costs. Zoom call before your page goes live. UNI's just removed the biggest hurdles you faced in getting a professional website. Designing and building the site, writing all the content, ongoing site maintenance. How does it work? Answer a few questions, sit back and relax, get your site in under a week. UNI serves 1,000 plus business categories. From established to new, local business to e-commerce, they have been trusted by more than 625,000 business owners with their website. Click the link below this video and get started now.